Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello, hi, Assalamualaikum viewers. How are you all, guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video, I am going to share with you a most stunning and most beautiful handmade button art and craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, hope so guys you all are doing well, and these are very pretty and these are very stunning ideas for you guys. So viewers, keep supporting my channel guys, keep watching my videos. So these are top trending, top unique and very classy ideas for you guys. You guys make these button craft ideas at home very easily. These are super unique, super classy and very amazing button art and craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, you guys make these craft work at home very easily. So guys, I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. So guys, always think positive guys, always be positive. These are very amazing, these are very unique and very classy ideas for you guys. Viewers must subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. So viewers, hope so guys you all are doing well, and must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are very trending, very amazing and very classy ideas for you guys. So viewers, you guys make these at home, you guys watch tutorials on YouTube and make these button craft ideas at home, and you guys share your thoughts with me and which kind of video you want from my channel. Then you also leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon. So guys, I'm very thankful to you all guys for watching my videos and for supporting my channel. Take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz guys.